Colors we may use today: dandelion, sunshine yellow, sunset orange, coral.
I have a pattern one. All color.
Citrus, pistachio, patina, pink sherbet, what colors? Translucent vellum paper, and behind that, computer paper.
Kai?
And Kai, we'll be using Kai. 91% rubbing alcohol. 91% rubbing alcohol in here. As we previously learned, vellum curls when wet.
Wow.
I'm going to tape it down.
You can use him.
I can?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's one tape.
That's one piece of tape, huh? Do you want some more tape? Here.
Yeah.
Here's some tape. What are you going to do with that tape?
Stick on the paper.
Okay, put it over here on this side. I'm not being particularly careful when I lay this tape down because I'm not using it to have borders, because this particular piece of art is not my end game. I am using it for background for a future project. Do you want gloves?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah. How about peach on top of the yellow?
Peach on top of yellow?
Yeah.
That sounds pretty.
I got my peach out.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Within my head.
Within your head?
It was a mess.
Oh.
It was a mess right there.
That was a mess right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty messy.
You got a mess.
I did make a mess, didn't I?
Another mess.
A big mess or another mess?
Another mess. You get another mess.
I did.
Yeah. You make another mess.
I did.
Sometimes you make messes.
Sometimes I do make messes. Sometimes messes are good, huh?
That's mine.
Yep. Use that there.
That looks like an air seal.
It does.
Yeah,
An air shield?
yeah. But with sunset orange.
Oh.
It got a split.
Yeah, it did. That's okay. Some more dandelion on. Some in that corner.
It makes orange.
It does, doesn't it?
Cause we have orange.
Have orange.
Yeah. Now let's swish it.
Squish it.
Yeah.
How are we gonna squish it?
Right over on our hands.
Use your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. How about putting it right there now? Put your hand in the dry spot now.
It's already dry. get wet part.
Get wet part?
Yeah.
What wet part?
Like I swish it with my hands.
You squished it with your hands?
Yeah. That's sunset orange?
Yep, that's sunset orange. Is that your favorite one?
Yeah. Look at that. I love that.
Do you love that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you love that.
That's really funny.
Is that very funny?
Yeah.
I'm so glad you think so. Okay, can we put it down without squishing it and see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay, where do we want to put it? Right here?
Yeah.
Don't. I thought you weren't going to squish it. Is that funny?
Yeah. What it will be.
What will it be?
What does it look like?
It looks like, let me see. It looks like a handprint. I don't know.
A handprint.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it looks like something special.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your finger. Okay. Okay, ready? Gonna hold it out like that. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Did that do what you thought it would do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting in.
It's getting in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We don't want to do too much because it'll get muddy, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. I think that might have been too much green because we want yellow, not green. So tell you what, let's let that dry a little bit. Okay. Okay, should we put more dandelion or more sunshine?
Let's add green mix to there, make it yellow.
Okay, let's put some yellow on it. Which yellow do we put on? Do we put the dandelion or the sunshine?
Or dandelion.
Dandelion? Okay.
Dandelion.
Let's put that right there.
Let's make it yellow. Let's make it yellow.
There. That looks more yellow, doesn't it?
Huh.
Yeah.
Now let's squish it.
No, let's not squish it. Because you got lots of green on your hands. We'll just make it more green again.
What?
Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We've got to let it dry. It's not dry yet.
is Grandma's surprise.
No, that's not for Grandma. This is for you.